Here we are going to see how to import and export the custom fields created by Extra Product Options plugin for WooCommerce order data. Let's prepare the CSV file first. Here I am adding some fields like size, color, and number fields. You can import the fields like text, email, URL, telephone, text area, select, radio button, checkbox, and more. Make sure you have created the custom fields and assigned that for your product before uploading the CSV. Okay, now in the WordPress dashboard, I am going to upload my CSV in the CSV Importer plugin. Choose the post type as WooCommerce orders and click on Continue. Now, it's showing the mapping section. You can see the EPO Fields widget and make sure the required fields are mapped. Then continue to next step. This is the import configuration section. Final step to import the record. Click on Import button. Import process begins and listing the logs. Click on View Shop Order button to see the imported fields in front-end view. Let's look at the record in WooCommerce dashboard. Okay, we will export the custom fields of Extra Product Options using our export feature. Click on the Export section and select WooCommerce orders. Click the Continue button. Here, I already have saved template. If you want new map, click on Create New Mapping. But I'm going with Saved Template. Just edit the CSV name and click on Export. The process started and I am downloading the CSV. Let's check the CSV for the field values. Thank you for watching this and try our plugin now.